What's going on? My soul traveller here and Charlie the Fight Stage. You already know where it is, man. So you need to pop. FFP, we partnered with Smith Ed to bring you all the best content. You already know, man. We're outside already. Get me? Teejay just pulled up. Jamaica are ready to shut down. They want to bring the cup back home. They want to bring it, take the cup to Kingston. Something like that, so it's going to be crazy, man. Everyone's competitive, but the whole diaspora is here. Nigeria and Zimbabwe are also playing, so make sure you're tuned in to FFP, 40 Favourite Production. That's on YouTube, and FFP Media on TikTok for all the highlights, all the insights and exclusives as the game goes on. See you in a bit.